Hi students, good morning everyone. Now we are going to talk about Unit 12 Periodic Classification of Elements. First one, Dominant Triads. Yearly concepts of classification of elements. First topics, Dominant element triads. In 1817, John Wolfgang Daubrunner, a German scientist, suggested a method of grouping elements based on the relative atomic mass. Listen carefully. Grouping elements based on the relative atomic masses. He arranged the elements into groups containing 3 elements each. Listen. Daubrunner arranged the elements into groups containing 3 elements each. He called this group as triads. Define Daubrunner triads. When the 3 elements in a triad are arranged in the ascending order of their atomic masses, the atomic mass of the middle element is nearly the same as the average of atomic mass of the 2 elements. Listen carefully. When the 3 elements in a triad are arranged in the ascending order of the atomic masses, the atomic mass of the middle element is nearly the same as average of atomic masses of other 2 elements. This statement is called the Daubrunner's law of triads. Listen, look the table. Daubrunner law of triads. Triad group 1, triad group 2, triad group 3. Listen. First 3 elements, lithium, sodium, aluminum, ascending order. Atomic masses. Okay. Listen. 6.9, 3.9. Group number 1. This first group 1. Listen. Lithium atomic number 6.9. Sodium atomic mass number 23. Potassium atomic number 39. I take lithium atomic number and sodium potassium atomic number plus divided by 2 to average about 23. So the atomic mass of sodium middle element is 23. Okay, limitation of Daubrunner's triads. Daubrunner could identify only 3 triads from the elements known at the time, and all elements could not be classified in the form of triads. The law was not applicable to elements having very low and very high atomic mass. Next, Lewland's law of actives. Lewland's law of actives. In 1866, John Lewland arranged 50 known elements. How many arranged in Lewland? Only 56 known elements in the increasing order of the atomic masses. Lewland observed that every 8 elements had properties similar to those of the first 2 elements, like the 8th note in an octave of music is similar to the first. The arrangement was known as law of octaves. Limitation. There are instances of 2 elements being fitted into the same slot. Example, cobalt and nickel. Second point, some elements totally dissimilar in the group properties were fitted into the same group. Arrangement of cobalt, nickel, palladium, platinum and iridium in the row of halogens. The law of octaves was not valid for the elements that had atomic masses higher than that of calcium. Next point. Lewland's table was restricted to only 56 elements and did not leave any room for new elements. Discovery of inert gases, neon, argon, krypton, and radon. At later stage made the 9th element similar to the first one, neon between fluorine. Next question, Mendeleev periodic table and Mendeleev periodic law. First, listen. In 1869, Russian scientist or Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev observed that the elements of similar properties repeat at regular intervals when the elements are arranged in the order of the atomic masses. Based on this, Mendeleev proposed the law of periodicity, of which states that the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of the atomic masses. Very important 2 mark question. Mendeleev periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic functions of the atomic masses. Mendeleev arranged 56 elements known at the time according to his law of periodicity. This was best known as the short form of periodic table. Features of Mendeleev periodic table. It has 8 vertical columns called groups and 7 horizontal rows called period. Next, each group has 2 subgroups, and A and B. All the elements appearing in a group were found to have similar properties. For the first time, elements were comparatively classified in such a way that elements of similar properties were placed in the same group. Limitation. Elements with large different properties are included in the same group. Example, hard metals like copper and silver were included along with the soft metals like sodium and potassium. Next, no proper position could be given to the element hydrogen. Non-metallic hydrogen was placed along with metals like lithium, sodium and potassium. The increasing order of atomic mass was not strictly followed throughout. Example, cobalt and nickel and tellurium and iridium. No place for isotopes in the periodic table. Steam question. Modern periodic laws. Important question. The chemical properties and physical properties of elements and the periodic function of the atomic numbers. Groups in modern periodic table. Group number 1, alkali metals. Group number 2 is called alkaline earth metals. Alkaline metals and alkaline earth metals are S black elements. First two groups is called S black elements. Next 3 to 12 transition metals. Transition metal is called D black elements and F black elements. 13 to 18 group elements is called P black elements. Boron family, 13 boron family, 14 carbon family, 15 nitrogen family, 16 oxygen family, 17 halogens and 18 noble gas. The 6 groups is called B black elements. Listen. 2 group is called S black elements. S black elements is how many elements in S black elements? 2. Only 2 electrons. D black elements 10. P black elements 6. F black elements 14. Listen. Group 1 and group 2 is called S black elements. How many electrons are present in the elements? Outer shell orbital 2. 13 to 18. Group is called B black elements. So first one, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon and helium. See, the first group is a family member of first boron's first number of the group. Therefore, boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, fluorine, halogens and noble gases. And another one 3 to 12. This group is called D black elements. And this 2 57 to 71, 89 to 103 is F black elements. The 57 to 71 groups is called lanthanides. And 89 to 103 group is called actinide. First one, S black elements. It includes group 1 alkali metals and group 2 alkaline earth metals. There are also called as representative elements. The elements of group 1 except hydrogen or metals. They react with water to form solutions that change the color of vegetable dye from red to blue. These solutions are said to be highly alkaline or basic. Hence they are called alkali metals. The elements of group 2 are also metals that combine with oxygen to form oxides formally called earths, and these oxides produce alkaline solutions when they are dissolved in water. Hence these elements are called alkaline earth metals. Next one, B black elements, 13 to 18 groups. Boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, and halogens, and last one, noble gases. Listen, these elements are in groups 13 to 18 in the periodic table. There are included boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, and halogens, and last one, noble gases. There are also called as representative elements. The B black is home to the biggest variety of elements and is the only block that contains all three types of elements: metals, non-metals, and metallites. And another one, D black elements. It includes group 3 to group 12 elements that are found in the center of the periodic table. The properties are intermediate to that of S black and B black elements, and so there are called transition elements. And last one, F black elements. It includes 14 elements after lanthanum 57 called lanthanides, and 14 elements after actinium called actinides. They are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. They are also called as inner transition elements. Simple questions. Define Dauber triads, limitation of Dauber triads, and define modern periodic table and modern periodic law, and another one, mental if periodic law. So important 2 more questions. All the best, students. Thank you. God bless you.